A high-speed camera records an object moving at 15 centimeters per millisecond. Convert this speed to kilometers an hour. We were given 15 centimeters per millisecond, and we want to convert to kilometers an hour. We know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, and we know that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. We also know that 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds, and that 1 second is equal to 1,000 milliseconds. So to convert from centimeters per millisecond to kilometers an hour, we need to first convert the centimeters to meters by multiplying through our conversion factor of 100 centimeters per 1 meter. Then we can convert the meters to kilometers by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Now to convert our time to go from milliseconds to seconds, we multiply through our conversion factor of 1,000 milliseconds per 1 second. Then to go from seconds to hours, we multiply through our conversion factor of 3,600 seconds for 1 hour. Multiplying through all this, we see that the centimeters cancel and give us meters, then the meters cancel and give us kilometers, then the milliseconds cancel and give us seconds, then the seconds cancel and give us hours. This leaves us with kilometers per hour. Solving this, we get that 15 centimeters per millisecond is equivalent to 540 kilometers an hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.